So hi everyone. So the surprise is we are launching a channel for competitive programming, and the channel name is Uncode Competitive Programming. Okay, Uncode Competitive Programming, and we'll be doing a lot of videos in that. Along with me, there will be a lot of other educators who are all good at competitive programming, and we'll be giving you a lot of videos on code. Okay, the channel name is Uncode Competitive Programming. Okay, and I'll be introducing today Jay Bansal. So Jay Bansal will also be teaching competitive programming along with me. Okay. So about Jay Bansal, he is a AIR second ranker, and he did his MTech from IIT Bombay, and he got placed in Google, and also he has an AIR of 39, so All India rank of 39 in ICPC competition. That is supposed to be the toughest competition for competitive programming, and he stands at AIR 39. Okay, and he is also a BTech gold medalist. So let me introduce Jay Bansal. Okay, so Jay, if you want to say a few words.
Thank you, sir. So yeah, I think that this course will be helpful for anyone who is looking for coding contests like ICPC or CodeJam, or looking for good product-based companies placed in good product-based companies. Yeah.
So I'll tell you what are all the topics that we'll be covering. So in general, if you look at any product-based company, okay, see, let me tell you one more time. I told this many times. Getting into product-based companies is easier compared to Gate. But why most people are not able to get into programming, this product-based companies, is because they don't know how to prepare for it. So there is no fixed curriculum for that. For example, if you take Gate, we have a fixed curriculum and we know what to prepare, and there are a lot of trainers training students for Gate, right? But coming to product-based companies, there is no fixed curriculum. So what we did is we collected all the kinds of questions that these companies will ask, and then we have we made a syllabus out of it. Right now, within limited number of hours, if you prepare all this, whatever we teach, if you prepare all those, you will easily be able to crack product-based company. I know that you are already preparing for Gate, and I know that you are extremely busy, but this course is going to help you get placed. Even after writing Gate and even after getting into IITs, you have to anyway prepare for interviews, right? And this course, which is for competitive programming, is also going to help you in getting placed. If you regularly follow my videos, right, you will definitely be able to get into product-based companies. And you can also register for competitive programming course on Unacademy, and if you use RRCS code, you are going to get 10% discount. And along with me, there will be a lot of other faculty who will be teaching on the Plus platform, right? So my suggestion is follow me every day, and if you follow me for the next 2-3 months, you will be able to crack any product-based company. Again, I'm telling you, cracking product-based companies is easier compared to Gate. So we don't have to prepare all the subjects. Yeah, if you prepare all the subjects, that is going to be an added advantage. But in general, product-based companies are going to ask you, one is data structures, algorithms, and other is programming in any one language. If you are comfortable with C, go with it. If you are comfortable with C++, go with it. Java, go with it. Python, go with it. No problem. Any one programming language, if you learn, then that is going to be sufficient. Okay, and you are going to have one aptitude test, and anyway you are following Saurav Thakur's classes for aptitude, that will be sufficient. And then we have technical rounds. So in technical rounds, the subjects like operating system, DBMS, CO, and CN, the basics of it will be asked. And again, in technical round, we are going to see data structures, algorithms, and programming. Okay, and some companies will ask you about the design, where Java is going to be helpful. So I'll be teaching design also in Java. Okay, and you can just learn it. Okay, and we are going to finally have HR round, and HR round is mainly about personality, and you have to be so they will ask you certain questions. So we'll discuss about what will be asked in HR round as well. But now our primary focus is to help you clear the technical round, because technical round is actually 90% of weightage, right? So if you can have very good technical skills, you are halfway there. Not even halfway, you are 90% there. Right? And HR round can easily be managed, not a big thing. Okay, So in this course, so what is our main intention is to get you into FANG companies. So what is FANG is, all the top companies, they have been given this acronym. So F for Facebook, Apple and Amazon, Netflix and Google. So these are the highest paying companies. They are the paymasters in IT. So IT jobs, if you look at any software development positions, these are the companies that are highest paying. Okay. So my suggestion is start with this. So let's start with C++. Again, I'm saying it is very easy. Okay. Compared to Git, doing programming, learning algorithms, data structures is very easy. Start with C++, then data structures, then algorithms, or you can start with C++, algorithms and data structures. You can do anything. Okay. And then practice the coding and prepare for GATE subjects. They are basics of core computer science subjects, and then do some system design. So system design I'll teach you, and after that you can directly apply for any prod based company and you'll definitely be able to get a job. Okay. So this is what is the C++ programming that we are going to teach. So one is I and Bansal, we both will be doing C++. And what is that we are going to cover is, so data types, control structures, functions, recursion, operators, arrays, pointers, structures, and then we do a small project at the end of it. Okay. And then we are going to have object oriented programming. So that is the main advantage of C++ over C, right? And in object oriented programming, we are going to talk about what are all the benefits of object oriented programming, and we'll introduce you each and every concept with an example. Okay. And after this, we are going to do one project, right? So by the end of this, you should be very confident with C++ programming. Okay. And we are going to have STLs. So at the end, we are going to talk about STLs. So what are the templates available in C++, and how can you use these templates to write code very fast. And after this, I'll be teaching algorithms and data structures, and Jay will also be teaching algorithms and data structures, and he will explain you about what are the basic data types, data structures and all that. Okay. So Jay will take over, and meanwhile I'll read the comments, and if there is any questions, I'll answer. Okay, please comment and I'll answer the comments.
Okay, so second track will be data structures. So after C++, we'll start with data structures. So in each data structure, we'll first explain the concept and then we'll code it also. So that's the difference between gate preparation and competitive programming, right? So you will be learning the concepts, and then you'll in the same video you'll be having the live programming environment also. So the basic data structures will include arrays, linked list, strings, stacks, queues, hash maps, trees, binary search trees, heaps, and priority queues. And we'll also be covering advanced data structures such as balancing trees like AVL trees, B trees, and graphs. So very few companies go up to this point, like segment trees, tries, and suffix trees, but we'll cover that also. So if you are looking for some good product based companies, then learning data structures up to graphs is sufficient. But yeah, anyway, we'll be learning the advanced data structures also for competitive programming. Okay, next coming to algorithms. So after data structures, we'll use those data structures and code algorithms. So what are the most common algorithms which are asked in any interview? So that we will be covering that. So firstly, we'll start with the basics and cover asymptotic analysis, so and sorting and binary search. After that, we'll be covering math operations. Yeah, so in math operations, we'll be doing GCD, HCF, and fast exponential, and etc. So after that, we'll be covering strings, and in strings, all the generic algorithms in strings like AMP and Z algorithm. After that, prime numbers and sieve of arithmesis, and yeah, so that's pretty much about the basics. So then we'll go to greedy algorithms. So in greedy, we'll do all the general problems. So these are just a few examples of them. So we'll do all the general algorithms which are required for competitive programming or placements. After that, we'll be covering dynamic programming. So dynamic programming is the most important topic coming to any interview or coding test. So we'll be doing a lot of examples in dynamic programming. So these are the most general algorithms which the companies ask. So LCS, LIS, and knapsack problems. So rod cutting, coin exchange problem, etc. So we'll also be covering tree DP and advanced DP problems, and also DP optimization. Okay, so after that, So the second most popular questions asked in competitive programming or in interviews is about graphs. So any company will ask you about one question about trees or graphs at least. So yeah, then we'll be covering trees and graphs. So BFS, DFS are the most basic ones. Then we'll cover Dijkstra, Flood, Warshall, and so we'll cover the concepts as well as the code. Okay, in C++ language only. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Then finally, we'll have advanced topics like heavy log decomposition, square root decomposition, and graph covering, etc. So this is about third track. So in fourth track, we'll be doing programming. So we'll be taking problems from platforms like CodeChef, and we'll be doing 100 to 150 very general problems, which will help you improve your ability to do competitive programming. And so we'll be covering basically all the basic questions asked in any interview or any product based company interview basically. So that will be our track 4. So yeah, that's about the course.
So whatever course we have discussed, it will all be free on YouTube. But if you want placement assistance and if you are serious about programming, then you can take plus subscription for competitive programming. Okay. So whatever I have discussed now will all be available for free on YouTube channel, and there is a YouTube channel Uncode Competitive Programming. Okay. So the name of the YouTube channel is Uncode. Okay. Uncode Competitive Programming, right? So if you can subscribe to this channel, then you are going to get all the videos, okay, all the video notifications, okay, and also you will be getting the videos on my channel as well, right? So on my channel as well as on Uncode, we are going to have all these videos, okay. But if you are serious about competitive programming or product based companies, I suggest that you register for the course. There are many other educators who are actually teaching this course. You will learn a lot from them, and along with that you will be having the option for getting into product based companies through our assistance. Okay, we'll provide you assistance, so we'll see that your resumes get forwarded to big companies and you'll get a call from the companies. Okay, and more about what are the companies that we have and how we could actually provide the placement assistance, we'll talk about it very soon. Okay, maybe in 10-15 days we'll start. And every day we are going to have live classes, right? So I'm reading the comments also and I'll reply to your comments. Every day I'm going to have live classes, and in a day advance. So today I have live classes again. So from 12 o'clock, again 12 o'clock we have a live class, and again we have a live class at 2 o'clock, right? So the schedule is already given in the YouTube channel. You can follow the schedule. Events are already created, and we'll do the videos. We'll do live videos every day. So every day you are going to get at least 2 hours of videos. So I know that you are already busy with your college exams and gate preparation, but still this is also going to help you a lot in your life. So just follow us and watch the videos. Again, I'm saying getting into product based companies is very easy. Okay, thank you all. And if you want to register for any course, either GATE or competitive programming, you can use the code RRCS and you are going to get 10% discount. Okay, thank you.